One of the most vital systems in the human body is the urinary system, but when kidneys fail, a transplant becomes a necessity. Today, we will explore the complete 3D surgical procedure of a kidney transplant. The procedure begins by placing the patient under general anesthesia. The surgeon then makes a precise Gibson incision in the lower pelvic region. This is the designated site where the new kidney will be housed. After carefully retracting the muscle layers, the surgeon accesses the patient's major blood vessels, the external iliac artery and vein. Preparing these vessels is a critical step to ensure a healthy blood supply to the new organ. Now, the healthy donor kidney is introduced. It is gently positioned within the pelvic cavity near the iliac fossa. Notably, the original failed kidneys are usually left in place unless they cause specific complications. We now enter the most delicate phase, vascular anastomosis. First, the donor kidney's renal vein is meticulously sutured to the patient's vein. This is followed by the precise connection of the renal artery to the patient's arterial system. Once the connections are secure, the surgical clamps are removed. Watch closely. As the blood rushes in, the kidney instantly transforms from a pale pink to a vibrant, deep red. Life has been restored to the organ. Next, a pathway for urine must be established. The kidney's drainage tube, the ureter, is carefully connected to the urinary bladder. A temporary internal stent is often placed to ensure an unobstructed flow during the healing process. Finally, the surgeon performs a thorough functional check. Once urine production is confirmed, the muscle layers and skin are sutured closed. A successful transplant truly provides the patient with a second chance at life. Finally, the surgeon performs a thorough functional check. Once urine production is confirmed, the muscle layers and skin are sutured closed. A successful transplant truly provides the patient with a second chance at life.